do, for example, is file their nails. Like ours, they keep growing over time, and if they become too long, not only do they hurt us when we grab them, but also they can snap and hurt the bird. So we make sure that we frequently file their nails in order to make sure that they are kept safe. Something else that we have to do is to make sure that their breathing is okay. Like us, these macos can become sick. In fact, they're very susceptible to lung infections like pneumonia. So we use this to make sure that their breathing and their heart rate is okay. Let's see. All sounds good? Good? Perfect.
చెవిలు బుర్రులు
Like us though, when they do become sick, we need to give them some medicine. Now, like we all know, this medicine can taste pretty bad right sometimes, but Holly knows that if she takes it when she's finished eating, that's it. Take your time, don't worry. Alright, let's see. She knows that if she takes her medicine, there we go. Even though, as I mentioned, it can taste pretty bad, she'll get a reward in the end. Let's see. A little bit more, honey? Perfect. Now, when they do become sick and we need to transport them to the vet, we need to use a kennel. Now, as you can imagine, this can be kind of stressful for the animal to be locked up in tight spaces. So, we try to train them so that they can go into the kennel on their own and make sure that we don't have to, we never force them, as I mentioned. So let's see, in Holly, as I mentioned, it's a work in progress. Let's see. Well done, Holly, okay. Now, as I mentioned, this could be kind of stressful for an animal that isn't trained to be locked up in such a small space, but as you can see, we can lock the cage behind her, and she's calmly inside, not making a noise, not screaming, because with a lot of training, we turn something that could be possibly stressful for her into something positive with positive reinforcement. Well done, Holly. I think she deserves a round of applause. Alright, so there's actually one